guys, welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. I'm gonna bake up a fast and easy oven baked fried chicken in my kitchen. Hang on, let's go for a ride now.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, let's get right into it. I have 6 drumsticks right here, so whenever I'm doing this particular recipe, I prefer to use drumsticks. However, if you don't want to use drumsticks, use whatever part of the chicken that you want to use. I'm also going to add eggs to that. You're also going to need flour, and that right there is 1.5 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of black pepper that is in that container. Here I have some breadcrumbs, that is 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Guys, it's how much chicken that you're going to make. If you're going to make more than what I'm doing, you might want to double up on your amount. You're also going to need garlic, salt, Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, and you're going to need some paprika. Come on and let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. Make sure your chicken washed nice and clean with some vinegar and lemon juice. Wash your chicken nice and clean. Okay, I'm going to add paprika to that. You don't want to add paprika to the flour because it's going to make the chicken too dark. So you go ahead and add your Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, salt, and some garlic. Now with clean hands, you want to go ahead and mix your chicken in. Okay guys, we are moving right along. First you want to go and just place your chicken into the egg mixture. Then put it in your flour. Then you place it into your breadcrumbs and set it aside.
Money, money, money can buy love. Money can buy you a car for driving, and money can buy you a house to live in, and money can buy you nice pretty things, but no money could not buy no license loving. Say, if I was a rich girl, would you ever switch, girl? Never see a rich girl, would you ever switch, girl? If I was a wealthy girl. Money, money, money can buy love.
Okay guys, now after you've done complete that step, you want to make sure you have your baking rack. And all you're going to do is get a little bit of butter or oil or margarine or anything like that you have. Just put it on top of your baking rack or your grill rack. That way that your chicken does not stick. Then layer that chicken on there. Now make sure that your oven is turned on to 425 degrees. And this chicken is going to be baked in 30 minutes. When I come back, I'll have perfectly oven baked fried chicken. And there you have it guys, done. So there you have it guys, nice, juicy and crispy. And I'm gonna let you guys see what that looks like on the inside. See how that looks like guys on the inside? Perfect. Juicy, nice and crispy on the outside. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum, yum. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. Nice, easy, fast and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.